Kamakhya temple is at Nilachal Hills in Guwahati, Assam, Northeast India. Ma Kamakhya is also known as Ma Kameshwari, is the renowned goddess of desire. This temple is approximately 600 feet above the plains. It is very easy to reach Kamakhya temple both from airport and Guwahati railway station. आज आहिलो कामाख्या मंदिर अम्बुबाची मेला उपलक्षे। आप लोग देखिए कितना भक्तगण जा रहा है इधर, बहुत दूर दूर से आए हैं। Bogla Devi temple and Bhubaneswari temple also situated at Nilachal Hills. Bhubaneswari temple is located at highest point from where one is able to enjoy the panoramic view of Guwahati city. The Ambubachi MELA annually held in Kamakhya temple. This yearly MELA is celebrated during the monsoon season around the middle of the June. Ambubachi MELA is celebration of the yearly menstruation course of goddess Kamakhya. Okay, and the door of temple remain closed for 4 days with the belief in fertility. It is believed that during this time, Ma Kamakhya receives her annual menstrual cycle. The door of the temple remained closed for 4 days with the belief in a fertility. A large number of pilgrims gathering here. I pray to Ma Kamakhya to bless everyone with good health and happiness. ভিউটো বহুত ধুনীয়া তো এইখিনিতে অকণমান ৰখিলোঁ আৰু খোজকাঢ়ি অহা কামাখ্যা মন্দিৰ মই আজি প্ৰথম আহিলোঁ অম্বুবাচী মেলাত আগতে কামাখ্যা মন্দিৰ কেইবাবাৰো আহিছোঁ কিন্তু অম্বুবাচী মেলাত এইবাৰ প্ৰথম আহি খোজকাঢ়ি আহি মজাটোৱে পাইছোঁ Steps can also be used to go down and come up. Okay, that's all for today. And I feel so blessed that I belong to the mighty Shakti Peeth. Thanks to all. Please subscribe my channel. Stay fit and healthy. Bye bye.